In this video, I'll be showing you when my account was brand new and when I was trying to familiarize myself with the Azure console, like me going to settings, me changing the Azure console color from white to dark mode, and me just showing you around how the interface looks. This was like my day one. So these are the things I've done. I was just recording this because I was documenting my process. These are the things I've done. Then now I'm uploading it for you guys. Default directory. Microsoft Entra ID. This is where we create users. By the way, the reason, see, resources, no resource. When we create users and all those stuff, this should be displaying, but here is empty because no resource. So let's go back to Microsoft Entra ID, where we can create users. Obviously, there's no user here. See, new user, download users, bulk operation. So this is where you get notification if anything you create, like your resource, will show. This is where you set things like your appearance, your language, things like that. This is where you can contact service center. You can contact them if you are having any issues. And this is Cloud Shell. It's like this CMD. I think that's what we call CMD. See, welcome to Azure Cloud Shell. So basically what this does is, if you want to be working and you don't want to be using all these consoles, you just want to input like CMD to do your work instead of clicking here and there. So it won't be graphical. It's basically if you don't want to use all this interface. So this is a terminal. Instead of calling it terminal, Azure call it Cloud Shell. One of the fastest way, anything you are looking for, just come here. I want to look into subscription. So subscription. You see, well, it's just me. See, owner. Then we have this. If admin have started some work, it will show here current cost and the forecast. Forecast is how much, based on the amount I'm running per day, how much it will later be at the end of the week. So that's what forecast is, and all my details will be showing here. I'm so sure that will be showing very soon. So then these activity logs, where I will see what exactly is costing me the money. Then access control, the kind of access I'm giving to the subscriptions. So that's it on this. This is basically the kind of permission I give to a user or a group of users. So access control. So under subscription, there is no many things going on. Yeah, this is just to assign a role to your user, and so that you can check how much you are spending and which user is spending most of the money. So that's what is basically under subscription.